Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do topic issue of debenture as collateral security. Earlier in the previous lectures, you people come to know how the public subscription is done and when the share debentures issued, how the debenture issued for the consideration other than cash. Today you just come to know that debenture issued as collateral security. Before learning this topic, the meaning of the collateral security should be clear to you. Sometimes when a company takes a loan from a bank or from some other party, the company may have to issue debentures as a subsidiary or secondary security in addition to the principal security. I hope everybody is well aware whenever any loan is taken by the business has to provide some security to the banks. Whatever the security is provided to the bank is known as the principal or the primary security. Along with that security, an additional security is also a subsidiary security. A secondary security is also provided to the bank for acquired by the company. That secondary security is known as collateral security. So in any case, the secondary security is given as an issue of debenture, then that is known as issue of debenture as collateral security. The bank or the other person to whom such debentures are issued as collateral security will not be entitled to any interest on these debentures. They are entitled to get interest on original loan advanced by them. If a default is made either in the payment of interest or in the payment of principal debt, the lender will first realize its debt from the principal security. But if the full amount of debt is not realized from the principal security, it may claim all the rights of a debenture holder. I hope this concept is clear to you. Whatever in case of any default, payment of interest or payment of principal debt will be realized from the principal security first. If any debt is left not to realize or left to realize, then that left amount of the loan is to be taken over from the secondary security by acquiring the rights, by claiming the rights of debenture holder, as debentures are already issued to them as a collateral security. So this is all about the meaning of issue of debenture as collateral security. Now the question arises, how the accounting treatment for the debenture issued as collateral security is to be done. See, for this purpose you have two methods. One, first method is there is no need to pass any entry for the debenture issued as collateral security. You have to show only the loan. You have to show the entry that is floating on the screen. See, you have to show the entry of the loan only. You acquire the loan, the entry will become bank account debit to bank loan. What will be the entry of acquiring the loan? Bank account debit to bank loan. Debit what comes in? Liability is generating in the form of bank loan. That's why it is the entry will be considered as bank account debit to bank loan account. In this case, none of the account related to collateral security or debentures will be opened. So no entry is to be done, only it is shown inside as a note in the balance sheet. The second method. In this method, the entry for issuing the debentures as a collateral security is also recorded with the entry for taking the loan. See how? Firstly, you have to pass the entry of bank to bank loan. Then you have to pass the entry for issue of debentures, that is issue of debenture as collateral security. The entry will become debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. And moreover, while preparing the balance sheet, a separate debenture suspense account is to be shown there. How it is to be dealt in balance sheet? Let's do illustration, then it will be more clear to you. Let's recall once what we have done. We have done the meaning of issue of debenture and collateral security. Then we have done, after doing the meaning, what are the methods of dealing in books of account. As per the first method, debenture suspense account is not open. But as per the second method, debenture suspense account is to be open. Let's do the example, then it will be more clear to us. Illustration number 20. Please get ready with your books and open illustration number 20 in your books. See, a company had rupee. The symbol of rupee is there. While reading the statement, whether you are doing any of the question of company accounts, whether it is related to share or debenture, don't forget to read the statement carefully, whether these are the rupee denomination is given to you or whether the number of shares or debentures are given to us. What is given in the statement? You should be very careful regarding this. So in this question, it is given company had rupees 10 lakh 12% outstanding, 12% debenture outstanding as on 1st April 2019. During the year, company took a loan of rupees 2 lakh from the State Bank of India for which the company placed with the bank the debenture of rupees 2 lakh. Company placed with the debenture of rupees 2,50,000 as collateral security. Past journal entries, if any, also show how the debenture and bank loan will appear in the company's balance sheet. A company, I'm reading again, a company had 10 lakh 12% outstanding debenture on 1st April 2019. During the year, company took a loan of rupees 2 lakh from the State Bank of India, for which the company placed with the bank debenture for 2,50,000 as collateral security. Past and necessary journal entry show how the debenture and bank loan will appear in the company's balance sheet as at 31st March 2020. Let's go with the first method, in which company do not record the issue of debenture as collateral security. In that case, only the single entity of the loan will be passed, and that will be bank account debit to bank loan account. And in the narration, it is to be mentioned the loan taken from the bank is rupees 2,50,000 and debenture deposited as collateral securities. The bank has taken the loan of 2 lakh and issue the debentures 2,50,000. I hope it is visible to you on the screen, and please mark it very carefully. The loan is of rupees 2 lakh while the collateral security is issued as 2,50,000. But in the first case, in the first method, we are showing the entry of the loan only, but we are not showing any entry related to the debenture issue. Now look at the balance sheet. While doing the balance sheet, when you prepare your notes of account, please see carefully. 12% debenture that are 10 lakh rupees outstanding. Only the 10 lakh is to be shown. Additional debentures of 2,50,000 which are issued as collateral security, as collateral security, are shown in the bracket only. And bank loan, when you show, it is 2 lakh and collateral security also again is to be shown in the bracket. Please mark this point. Whenever debenture suspense account is not to be opened, whatever the debentures are issued as a collateral security are to be shown in the bracket in the balance sheet. I'm repeating again and again. Please mark in your books as well as prepare the mental notes of it. First method, when the debenture suspense account is not opened. In that case, the long-term borrowing are to be shown as a non-current liability in the balance sheet, and in notes to account, it is to be shown. Now, second method, when the company decide to record the issue of debenture as collateral security, in that case, the first entry will become bank account debit to bank loan. 2 lakh rupees loan is taken from the bank and 2,50,000 debenture suspense account is to be open. Because the debentures are not issued to public, in that case, the debentures are issued as collateral security. So it is to be shown debenture suspense account. So debenture suspense account debit to 12% debenture account. That will be 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 50. Then in the balance sheet, what is to be done? Again, non-current liabilities are long-term borrowings, 12 lakh. How it is to be shown here? See, there is a difference. In the previous one, you just show the amount of debentures issued as collateral security in the bracket only. And you have to show 12% debenture, 10 lakh in the outer column. But in this case, you have to show the total debenture, 10 lakh outstanding debenture with the public and 2 lakh 50,000 debenture as a debenture suspense account. The total debentures value 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50 minus 2 lakh 50,000. The rest will be 10 lakh rupees is to be there. That 10 lakh rupees debenture are shown in the balance sheet. And bank loan as a collateral security is 2 lakh there. 10 plus 2, it will become 12 lakh rupees in all. So what we have done here in this portion, we come to know when the debenture issued as collateral security, how it is to be dealt, how it is to be done. The two methods are there. In the first method, no debenture account, suspense account is open, only the calculations are shown, transactions are shown in the bracket only, is floating on your screen. And in the second case, when the debenture issued as collateral security, these terms are shown very clearly. Debenture suspense account is open just because of that entry is to be done. And in balance sheet, debenture suspense account is also shown. This is all about illustration number 20. Let's do illustration number 21. Meghnad Limited took a loan of 1,20,000 from bank and deposit 1,400 8% debenture of rupees 100 each as a collateral security along with the primary security worth rupees 2 lakh. The company again took a loan of 80,000 after 2 months from a bank and deposited 1,008% debenture as a collateral security. Record the necessary journal entry. Now, you cannot do the entries all together. First of all, you have taken the loan. The entry will become bank account debit to bank loan account. The entry of 1,20,000 will be there. Now the company issued 1,400 rupees each debenture. It means 1,40,000 rupees debenture are there. So entry will become debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. It will be 1,40,000. How it is calculated? I'm showing the calculation on the calculator. Please mark in your books how it is to be calculated. 1,40,000, 1,400 debentures are there. Multiply these debenture by the per debenture value, that is 100 rupees, and you will get the total value of 1,40,000. It is to be shown. Please mark here in bracket how the 1,40,000 calculated. Now, again, at the time of acquiring the loan, the company, after the 2 months acquiring the loan again, it is of 80,000. The entry of loan will be bank account debit to bank loan. Then debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. 1,000 debentures are issued of 100 each. It means 4 rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees debenture suspense account is to be open. So when you do the entry in the balance sheet, what is to be done? See, look at the notes to account. 8% debentures are there. It is of 2,40,000. Completely the old debentures are issued as debenture suspense. None of issue is done to the public. So 2 lakh, the nil will be there, and bank loan is 2 lakh. So long-term borrowing will be all in all as a total of rupees 2 lakh, which is shown in the balance sheet. As in this question, no public subscription of the debentures is there. So in that case, what to do? The whole debentures, the total value of the debenture issued as debenture suspense account. So it is to be shown over there. 2,40,000 minus 2,40,000, the nil balance of the debenture issued is there, but bank loan is also there. So bank loan is shown as a long-term borrowing in the balance sheet. It is all about the illustration number 21. I hope you are very much clear up to this. Let's go to illustration number Let's move to illustration number 22. Illustration 22. A limited company issued debenture of rupees 1 lakh, which were issued as follows. For cash at 90%, for creditors 20,000. Capital expenditure in satisfaction of his claim means capital expenditure is there. It means there is a creditor of 20,000 for whom we have purchased any asset, and a kind of capital expenditure is to be paid to him in satisfaction of his claim. It is the case of issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Number 3, to the banker for the loan of rupees 15,000 as collateral security. It means it is the case of collateral security when the debenture issued as collateral security. All the three cases that we done till date, you find in one question altogether. First, for cash 90%, it means the debenture issued at discount as a public subscription. Second, as a capital expenditure, so it is for consideration other than cash. Third, to the bank as security, it means debenture issued as collateral security. Now see how to deal with the accounting treatment. In the first point, it is for cash at 90%. It means the debentures are issued at its 90% value. What does it mean? It means 10% less value is there. Debentures are issued on discount. So what the amount will be received by the company at the time of application? It will be 90% of 50,000, and 90% of 50,000 is 45,000. The entry will become bank account debit, debenture application and allotment account debit, and the amount is to be shown over here 45,000, and it is 90% of 50,000. The next entry is debenture application. It's debenture application and allotment account debit. Discount on issue of debenture account debit to debentures account. The amount of debenture is complete value is 50,000. Here 45,000 is the 90% value of 50,000, and 5% that discount is given to them. Sorry, 10% the discount is given to them. 10% of 50,000 wrong here. Please mark correct. 10% of 50,000. It will be 5,000. Next point is assets are purchased. Assets are purchased as capital expenditure is done. So asset account debit to vendor account, it is of 20,000. Then in another case, it is vendor account debit, discount on debenture account debit to debenture account. The company is issuing the debentures to the vendor of rupees 20,000. The company has to pay due to pay to vendor 20,000, and company issuing the debenture of 25,000 nominal value. Nominal means the face value. It means company is issuing the debentures at the more value. It means debenture issued at discount. The 5,000 rupees of discount here. I'm just correcting this mistake here and marking it. Please mark correct in your books. So it is 10%. Right here 10% instead of it is 10%. It will be 10% of 50,000. So mark here in bracket the 10% of 50,000 is here. Please make this amount correct. Now I am moving back and scrolling the screen and make you clear that how the further entries are to be done. let's come to the second part as we were doing third part. First and second part we have done. The third part, when the debenture issued as collateral securities. When the debenture issued as collateral security, the entry is debentures bank account debit to bank loan. First, the loan is acquiring there, and then bank debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. The second entry is to be passed for the issuing the debenture as collateral security. See, I circle 5,000 here and 5,000 here also. In above two entries, 5,000, 5,000, because these debentures are issued at discount. And I told you in my previous lectures, whatever the loss on discount on issue of share take place, it is to be written off in that particular year. In the absence of any specific information, the complete amount is to be written off in that particular year. But if any specific condition is given to you that it is to be written off in 10 year or 5 year, then you have to make that equal installment of the amount. As here nothing is given specifically that in how many years it is given, it is policy of the company to write off the capital loss in the first year itself. So the specific information about writing off the complete loss in the 1 year, so 10,000 rupees is to be write off from statement of profit and loss. It will be debit to discount on issue of debenture account. So in this way, you have to do the entries in which a complete question in which you find all the topics all together. Please take a view. It's putting on the screen. This is all about all the topics that you did till date related to issue of debenture. Case 1, when debentures are publicly subscribed, when debentures are issued to vendor for consideration other than cash, when debenture issued as a collateral security for acquiring the loan. And at the in the last entry, you will come to know again that how the loss on issue of debenture as a discount is to be write off from statement of profit and loss. Let's do illustration number 24. Then it will be more clear. A new concept will be clear to you related to this. See what is given over here. Volvo Limited issued 20,000 9% debenture of 100 each as a collateral security for a loan of 15 lakh from HDFC Bank. What it is given over here? 20,000 debenture. I am again, please mark it. These are number of debenture, not the denomination of debenture. The denomination of debenture will become 20,000 into 100. That will be 20 lakh. And company is acquiring the loan of 15 lakh. Company is issuing the debenture as collateral security of 20 lakh. So now the first entry will be of acquiring the loan. Particularly loan is not given over here that company is acquiring the loan. So it is up to you. You can do the entry of the bank account debit to bank loan, or whether you cannot pass, because it is not given over here specifically that on which date the company is acquiring the loan. It is given over here only the company issued the debenture for acquiring the loan from the HDFC Bank. So you may pass the entry of bank to bank loan, or you may not pass the entry. It's up to you. So now the first entry is to be done. Debenture account debit to debenture suspense account. In second case, C, the second entry, the company was unable to repay the loan on which interest payable was 5 lakh on 31st March 2019. Interest payable means the interest that is due to pay. It is known as the outstanding interest as well. It is known as the outstanding interest as well. HDFC Bank on 31st March exercised the right vested in it by way of debenture being issued as collateral security. Now, whatever the debentures are issued as a collateral securities, these are converted by the bank into cash. They acquire their right by converting them the collateral security into cash and cover their loan of rupees 15 lakh and their interest outstanding, that is the interest payable, that is of 5 lakh, 15 and 5. Now it will become 20 lakh. The total 20 lakh debentures are to be converted as a debentures, and they vested their all the rights on the debenture which are issued as collateral security. Now the HDFC Bank become the debenture holder of the company. So in this way, you have to do the entries related to debenture issued as collateral security. It is the topic, all about the topic of the day. Now let's recall what we did today. First of all, we have done the meaning of the debenture issued as collateral security. Then we did the accounting treatment, how it is to be done. There are two methods, first and second. In first method, no debenture suspense account is open. Only the entry related to loan is to be done. While in the second case, the debenture suspense account is also to be open. Then we did the illustration number 20, in which you come to know that how the entries are to be done. That as in this case, the debentures are issued to the company. Now, in the second next question, what we did in the next illustration, we just come to know the loan has been taken twice in a year. Whatever the by how many time it is to be taken, we have to do a fresh issue of the debenture as a collateral security every time, and its accounting treatment is also to be done separately as a complete record. In the next case, we come to know that all the three cases that we have done till date, the debenture issued at discount for public subscription. In the next case, it is issued to the creditor as a capital expenditure, means for consideration other than cash. In the next case, it is issued to the bankers for the bank loan. In the next 23, you have to do yourself, and 24 illustration, it is the outstanding interest along with the loan amount is given to you, and company exercise its right vested in it by a way of the debenture being issued as a collateral security. So these debentures are issued in a way, converted in a way as a debentures. These are used whatever as a secondary security for acquiring the loan as well as the interest due on that. So it is all about the topic. You have to complete your practicals, numericals, anything given in the exercise. Now I request Akasar to unmute the student who raised their hands for the queries. So students, I request you to raise your hand for query if you have any related to the topic we have done.